Register Guard. That roar behind me is the Mackenzie River. We are on the trail between Sahalee and Coosa Falls.
You too.
So we're from Colorado, and we usually do a lot of desert riding for our trips and things like that. So we're looking for something different, something that's unique. Yeah, it's awesome. It's a little bit of everything. Some technical sections. A lot of the stuff was, it was challenging. The flowy stuff, fast flowy trail.
Just the luscious scenery is amazing. This is something we don't have in Colorado. The waterfalls, it's great.
Well, we've made it all the way around the waterfall smooth trail to the top of Sahalee Falls.